Yeah, I've got a tractor, massive tractor. Put it down, mate. He is not stopping. He is not stopping. Okay, he's run over the bikes. Everybody stay well clear of this tractor. Okay, he's dropped the bucket. He's dropped the bucket. Hey, this guy's not stopping. Turning right onto Tudor. No, he's straightened up. Darley Street. Stand by, he's on two wheels. Yeah, just about rolled there, B-car. He's driving into a... Okay, he's driving onto the railway line. He's just broken the gates. He's going to be hitting the railway lines. Mate, we're heading towards the, just give us room to get...
I've got my partner on Challenor and Tiger and Pete back.
Okay, we're on the railway line. We're heading into the railway station. Stop all trains, mate. Get onto them. Stop all trains if there's anything. We are on the railway siding, heading in towards... What's the power lines, boys? What's the power lines? Mate, get them to shut down the power if you can. I don't know if you can do that, but... Out the back, I'm in the bush. I've got all his clothing in the creek.
Hands in the air now!
Good boy, mate, good boy.